sitting by the limats enjoying a beer with Nuria today, and I was telling her how I'm now like Europeanized, the fact that I can sit in the sun and enjoy myself here. And we went also swimming by the lake, having a good time.
The secrets we tell each other, they come out one at a time. Safe on deaf ears at quiet times ago, while we rehearse them in the mirror, waiting for the time to be right. When we know the strength inside will match the strength you show, but it's hard enough to face the fate who's always staring back. There's nothing to be ashamed of.
We just had a very successful swim. I think it's always super nice like after work to jump in the river or the lake, and I think it's a huge like serotonin boost, and there are so many people. Like I always wonder where all of these people go during the winter, because like suddenly Zurich is now full of young people and it's crazy. Hey everyone, I just got back from work and I have a bag full of shoes that I got from work, so I'm gonna be sorting through them. So today I am actually going to the opera to watch a ballet, so very excited, and I have like 10 minutes to quickly get ready, so I'm gonna go change into a more appropriate dress and then we're gonna leave. So this is the fits for today. Yeah, I will go get some food and then head straight to the opera house. I'm super excited. It's my first ever time seeing the Zurich Opera House, so let's go see it together. I just got back from ballet and I'm about to get ready for bed. I just needed to say that it was my first ever ballet show and it was so beautiful. First of all, the interior of the opera house in Zurich is so beautiful, and I would like, it's the ballet that I watched was called Atonement, which is like a new ballet show, and the first half I was like a little bit confused because I didn't exactly follow the storyline, but the second part was beautiful. There was so much action, so much going on. The performance was great. I could really recommend if any of you are in Zurich. It's like a new show at the Opera House in Zurich right now. It's so good. And also I got the tickets for 29 francs, which I thought was quite good. And the seats were quite okay. Good morning everybody. I have like 5 minutes to get ready for work. And like this week is so crazy, you know, like every single day I have after work plans. And it's really rare because usually I don't do this. This is my future self editing and watching this. I realized that I woke up a little bit in a bad mood. I just don't want to sound ungrateful. Like I'm very happy that I have like this social circle of friends that I get to do things with. I think I just woke up a bit moody and like not super excited to go to work, but yes, bear with me. I think but because it's summer and like the weather is so nice, everybody just wants to be out all the time, and it's crazy. Like there's so many people around everywhere, and I wonder where all of these people are in winter. Because right now I feel a bit like I'm in this survival mode where I want this summer to be so good. I plan so much, I say yes to so much, and then like I really enjoy all the activities and it's so fun, but it's also really like tiring. Like it's really, you really need to find this balance somehow. Like okay, if I stay home all the time I'm just bored and lonely, but if I do too much then I'm tired and my work quality goes down. But generally, I'm really happy with like this summer and grateful to meet so many people and also reconnect with my friends now that they're going to be done with exams and be able to really enjoy Zurich in summer. I'm running super late, so I think this is all the makeup I'm going to be doing today. Alright, let's go to work.
Between the times we speak, between the times we think we know we're right, between the times we constantly checking it. What we're about to say, really what it's worth. Is it our 2 cents, or is it nonsense? Are these things that we learn? They come from inside us, we can no longer hide this. Bursting at our seams, 'cause our dreams they fly. There's nothing to be ashamed of. We're just being what we're made of. And it comes out in the quiet, between the times we speak, between the times we think we know we're right, between the times.
Sunlight here. Oh my god, I spent so many hours cooking. I think it's now 9 or almost 10 p.m. I made like a stir fry with broccoli and ground meat with rice, and then with the leftover rice I made some salmon fried rice with teriyaki sauce. I tried it, it's super good. I'm gonna have another plate at it, and also like a fresh salad for either lunch or dinner tomorrow, I'm not sure. With this much cooking, it better last me the entire week because I'm so tired and I will not be able to cook again this week. And this vlog is honestly all over the place. I don't know if there's any storytelling, but you guys let me know if these kind of small snippets of life makes any sense to you.
Between times we speak